Good morning, everybody. I am Miss Bogra Glatzglau. I am freelance language teacher. Today I'm going to teach you Kachin or Jinghpaw language. So let's learn Kachin or Jinghpaw language. This language teaching program is dedicated to my beloved husband, Martin Glatz, and our beloved son, Andrew Glatz. However, this teaching resource is free to everybody who has interest to learn Kachin language. In this course, I use the method of repetition. I will not explain the rules and regulations of grammar of the language, but I used only the method of repetition. Let's start our introduction course. Here, I would like to teach you 5 sentences. Ngui kamgja meaning is I wish you to be happy and in good health. Ngai go Miss Bogra Glatzglau re. I am Miss Bogra Glatzglau. Jinghpaw ga shrin yalu ai majo grai gubu I. I am very happy to teach Jinghpaw language. Jinghpaw ga go ngai na gnu ga re. Jinghpaw language is my mother language. Ngai ya Switzerland mungdan go nga I live in Switzerland now. From now on, I'm going to explain detail of each sentence. Let's see first sentence. Ngui pyo kamgja ngau ga meaning is I wish you to be happy and in good health. Ngui pyo kamgja ngau ga. You can use this sentence to address the audience in public speech. Ngui pyo meaning is happiness. Kamgja meaning is healthiness. The sentence ending with uga or nga uga in Jinghpaw language is expressions for best regards. I will repeat the first sentence. Ngui pyo kamgja ngau ga. Let's continue second sentence. Ngai go Miss Bogra Glatzglau re meaning is I am Miss Bogra Glatzglau. Go in the sentence is to be. Ngai is subject I. Ngai go I am. Sentence ending with re is ending for positive sentence. If you would like to say I am Mr. Martin Glatz, you have to say Ngai go Mr. Martin Glatz re. I will repeat the second sentence again. Ngai go Miss Bogra Glatzglau re. Here is third sentence. Ngai Jinghpaw ga shrin yalu ai majo grai gubu I meaning is I am very happy to teach Jinghpaw language. Ngai is subject I. Ga meaning is language. Jinghpaw ga. Jinghpaw or Kachin language. Gabu I am happy verb. Grai gabu I am very happy verb. Shirin ya I teach verb. Lu I have example opportunity verb. Shirin ya lu I having opportunity to teach. Combining two verbs of Shirin ya I and lu I. Majo is conjunction for reason. Ngai Jinghpaw ga Shirin ya lu I majo grai gabu I. I am very happy to teach Jinghpaw language. Let's continue fourth sentence. Jinghpaw ga go ngai na gnu ga re. Meaning is Jinghpaw language is my mother language. Go in the sentence is to be. Jinghpaw ga go. Jinghpaw or Kachin language is ngai na my gnu ga mother language. Re in the sentence is ending positive sentence. Jinghpaw ga go ngai na gnu ga re. Jinghpaw language is my mother language. Last sentence of this introduction course. Ngai ya Switzerland mungdan ko nga I, meaning is I live in Switzerland now. Ngai is I. Ya, now. Mungdan, country. Switzerland mungdan, Switzerland. Ko, at, in, prepositions for location. Nga I, live, vaf. Let me repeat again. Ngai ya Switzerland mungdan ko nga I. Let's repeat all those 5 sentences. Ngui bio kam gja nga uga. Ngai go Miss Bok Raglat Glau re. Jinghpaw ga shirin yalu ai majo. Grai gabu ai. Jinghpaw ga go ngai na gnu ga re. Ngai ya Switzerland mungdan ko nga I. I would like to close this course by showing my gratitude to you, to say thank you very much. In Jinghpaw language, you have to say Jeju gabasai yo. Jeju gabasai meaning is thank you. Jeju gabasai yo meaning is thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Grai Jeju gabasai, thank you very much. Grai Jeju gabasai yo, thank you very much. Jeju meaning is gratitude. Gabasai is big, waff. Grai, very much. Yo in the sentence is friendly manner of expression. So I would like to say again, Jeju gabasai yo, thank you very much.